A piece of paper can be torn easily along the dotted line. And similarly, in the cars we drive every day, there are also such dotted lines to protect our safety. Compared with the cutting equipment for toilet paper, the dotted line on vehicles requires the use of high-end equipment, known as laser weakening intelligent equipment.
Laser weakening technology is mainly applied in the processing of automobile components equipped with airbag, such as instrument panels, steering wheels, and seats. It creates controlled spacing, controlled depth, and residual thickness holes resembling dotted lines on materials. To ensure that airbag can quickly deploy when needed, and also prevent material fragments from puncturing the airbag or causing injury, precise control of the depth of holes and retaining a portion of residual thickness is essential. This imposes high demands on the processing of the dotted line segments. The depth of holes is closely relevant to the output of laser energy. According to the formula, energy equals power multiplied by time. The smaller the energy, the shallower the depth of each processing. Controlling the energy output each time, and repeating it multiple times, allows for precise control of processing depth. The range of power is determined by factory, and it can be considered as non-adjustable or with a small adjustable range. Therefore, we can only minimize the time as much as possible to ensure the accuracy. Here is our experimental platform where we have developed a software and hardware system consisting of sensors and controllers. During processing, the laser is emitted from this point to the product, and then received by the sensor. The sensor continuously detects the magnitude of the laser output energy, and then sends the signal back to the controller to adjust the laser output in real time, thus achieving a closed-loop control. The core component, residual thickness sensor, along with control system, forms the most important system in Equipment Control Center, and is the focus of our core research and development. Keeping residual thickness within 0.15 millimeters requires sensor control at the nanosecond level. Through continuous improvement of sensors' hardware circuitry, CPU processing speed, and software algorithm, we can control time for each output within 20 nanoseconds and control residual thickness within plus or minus 0.05 millimeter, making us the only company in China that masters laser weakening processing technology. With the advancement of automobile manufacturing, processing materials extends from conventional plastics to high-end materials like leather. A laser weakening equipment with lasers of different power levels can meet various usage scenarios. This device replaces traditional processing methods such as cold knives and milling, enabling the rapid production of airbag products. HG Laser has accumulated rich experience, built a well-structured team, and formed a mature management model. We are committed to collaborating with more users to develop effective and precise products.